It's Party here, and today I'll show you how you can wall hop on PC. So, first thing you want to do, go to settings and turn shift lock switch to on. And then you want to press shift on your keyboard and then center yourself with the small arrow key. So not the big one, not these ones, these small ones, because you can center yourself. And I prefer looking up, so I look up and then I center myself. But because I'm making a video, because it's a video, I'll show you like this, like there, here in this perspective. Okay, so first you want to this is the movement. This is all you have to do. Well, you do have to keep on pressing W while you're jumping. So basically, you jump and then you also turn at the same time. So like this. And also remember not to do this. Do this. Like you can wait to do this one, but you can't. You can wait to do this one, but you can't wait to do this. You can't wait. You can wait to do this one, but you can't wait to do this one. So let me show you. Let me show you what I mean. So this is without being quick while doing like that. I mean, but this is with being quick. By the way, when you're getting high, what you should do is slow down. Don't slow down that. Slow down this. So like at this I can do fast, but at the top, at almost the top, I'll do this because it's you can be more careful. But if you want to be fast, you can just do it quick. So that's how you do it on PC. If you're on mobile and you're on a wallhop server or wallhop server, you can there will be a shift lock thing down there because that's what you need to do this. But if you don't, that's because if you don't, it might be because you're not on a wall hop game. So yeah, but one thing I want to tell you is when you look up, what you can do is look how much you've done. Yeah, so by the way, remember that Roblox did patch this, and you can't do it on any server. You can only do it on walls that look like this that are in wallhop servers. So if you're on a wallhop game and you see these, you can wallhop on it. That's because these are specially made walls, so it's like a nano. Those lines are like a nanometer thick, so like this. But if I'm on something like here, see, I can't do it. This is a footage of me doing 1,000 stunts. By the way, when you're on a server that's like this, when you're on this server, what you can do is you can see the halfway mark because the 500 studs one. So I'm halfway there. I'm gonna speed up. Okay. I'm almost there. Yeah, so wall hopping only works on like servers that you can actually do this and let you do this because it's patched. So it's and like and subscribe and bye. Okay.